Cold conditions across Metro Detroit, and we are in for even colder weather as we head through the next few days. Right now, our actual air temperatures are in the teens, so this is not factoring in the winds. You can see colder air back farther off to the west, 16 in Howell, 15 in Ann Arbor, 17 in Adrian, but we are warmer off to the east, 23 in Port Huron and 21 in Mount Clemens. Colder air is coming in. We do have winds out of the southwest. Our temperatures will be dropping into the teens as we move into tonight. Bigger picture of what's going on. Well, we don't really have one big system rolling through right now. That's why we have areas or patches of some snow showers outside right now, including one little area just to the north of Lapeer right now. I can see kind of that light, actually moving through Lapeer at this moment back towards Flint. Everyone else, though, we are going to be looking at increasing clouds as we continue through the rest of tonight. And then overnight tonight, just looking at, again, quiet conditions, increasing clouds. Now, your Sunday, though, will have more clouds across the area, and then more spots have a chance to see a few showers. So the focus throughout the day will mainly be north. Once we get into the evening, though, that's when we'll start to see showers increase. Snow showers will continue Sunday night, moving into Monday morning as well. As you notice, they're quite scattered. There are some breaks in between as well, but we'll continue to see the snow showers move through, and we'll have so many snow showers that we are going to see accumulating snow Sunday night all the way through Monday. How much snow are we looking at? Well, it's not going to be a ton, but it is going to be enough that you're probably going to have to shovel yet again. As we take a look here, kind of explaining this map, lightest amounts will be down towards Monroe County or south of the city of Detroit. A good chunk of us are looking at 1 to 2 inches of snow. And then we do have this ridge that kind of runs from Lapeer down towards Ann Arbor. That's where amounts could get closer to 2 to 3 inches of some snow, especially when we have the winds change just a bit. And again, looking at the chance there. Heavier lake effect snow will be off to the west, but not here in Metro Detroit. As we take a look at your temperatures for your Sunday, we will be looking at cold conditions overall. Highs will be in the low 20s almost everywhere. Not everywhere, almost everywhere. But it's going to feel colder across the area. It's going to feel like a day spent in the single digits across the area until we try to get up to about 21 or 22 degrees when you factor in the winds. We're only going to get colder throughout the day on Monday. We're going to go from 20 degrees in the morning to about 13 in the afternoon. Looking at the snow showers again throughout the day, we'll fall to our coldest temperature Tuesday morning with many of us in the low single digits, climbing only into the teens in the afternoon. A storm comes in on Wednesday that will warm us up a bit, but we're back into the 20s with more chances for snow to round out the week.